Hey guys, I'm the Crafty Gamer, and for today I got 4 blister packs. The Halloween blister packs from last year. I got 1 Alolan Persian and 3 Crobat blister packs. I actually wanted to get 2 Persians and 2 Crobats, but this was all I had, so this was what I got. And for spending €10, I also got the promo card, the Heatran promo card from Ultra Prism. So that's really nice for collection. Anyways, packs, or Guardians Rising packs with a card in front of it. This is not a promo card, by the way. This is just one of the numbered cards from the set. They all got the same Zoroark coin to go with it, so let's get to it, right? Let's start off with one of the Crobat blisters. Hoping to get some nice pulls today. This is Guardians Rising, so it is possible to get a Tapu Lele GX, which would be really nice for a deck or anything like that. There we go. That's our booster pack. That is the code card for you guys, and the Holo Crobat card, which I'm pretty sure it's the same number. I guess it's maybe the different Holo pattern. I'm not really sure. I think it is, by the way. And the Zoroark coin. So I'm going to open up all the blister packs first, I think. Or should I open the pack first? Let's open the pack first, right? I will show you the code card, the coin, the card. Here we go. The booster pack with Tapu Koko on the front. Let's hope we get a Rainbow Lele. That would be awesome, really. Come on. Or Turtonator GX would be good too. Oh, we got a white code card for you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, I believe was the pack trade, right? There we go, the Fairy Energy. We got a Delibird, a Mudbray, Slowpoke, Gumi, Rockruff, Enhanced Hammer, which is always useful, Aquapatch, which is also useful for water decks, a reverse rare Oricorio, and we got a Comfy Holo rare. Second pack, I guess we're going to open up the Persian pack here. A little Persian pack, which I don't really like, honestly. I don't like the I like the way it looks. I like the old Persian better, a lot better, really. Let me open it. Some of these blisters are so annoying to open up. Okay. Come on up. There we go. There we go. Yep, we got another Cocoa pack. We got the, oh, there we go, the Persian, which I'm pretty sure is also a different Holo pattern, if it's actually a Holo at all. I'm not really sure about Persian. There's the code card for you guys. Now you've already seen this, right? This is Zoroark coin. So, pack number 2. Still hoping to get a Lele. Right? Or I'm not really sure what else is in these. On the top of my hat, really, and there's the code card for you guys. 3, Energy, and 2. Alright, got a Patrat, a Alolan Geodude, we got a Gligar, Bellsprout, Cottony, Clefable, Lampent, the Choke, a reverse Sableye, which is an uncommon, and Oricorio non-holo rare. The third blister pack here with Crobat on the front part. And again, seriously, this always happens to me when I try to open up a blister pack, right? So annoying. Oh. We got another Coco booster pack. A code card for you guys. And the Crobat. I'm pretty sure you've already seen this, but here it is again, a Zoroark coin. I got like 5 of these right now. So. Alright, Coco booster pack. I'm seriously having a hard time opening these packs, I don't know why. Alright. Pack number 3. Unfortunately, another green code cart. There is the code for you guys. Got a fairy energy. It's not really that important, is it? Here we got a Alolan Geodude. We got a Barboach, a Rockruff, Clefairy, Vanillite, Gothorita, Sableye, Max Potion, which is nice in decks sometimes. It's a reverse rare, a Alolan Sandslash, and the last card is a Wailord. I love the art in that. Look at that. Look at that. It's so happy. It's right. It's right. It's happy, right? It's happy. Yeah. Mudcat thinks it's funny. Right. Last booster pack here with a Crobat in front. Oh man, again? Seriously? This is so annoying. Come on. Oh, right. Wait. Nice, another Coco. Here is the code card for the blister, and here we got our Crobat holo card again. I feel like I'm repeating myself. Actually, I am, but. And the Zoroark coin. Last pack. Oh, come on, focus. Focus. I'm focused. Focus, camera. Here's the last Coco pack. I'm sorry about being so hyperactive. I've been watching Laughing Pikachu's channel. She's funny. Right, here is the go kart for you guys, the white go kart. Here is, hang on, a lightning energy cart. We got a Beldum, a Paddle, Fletchling, a Alolan Geodude, Barboach, a Alolan Graveler, Sudowoodo, a Rescue Stretcher, reverse uncommon is a Hakomo Obomo, and a Alolan Golem holo rare. Oh, great. Well, there's no GXs in here. Unfortunately, that was it. That was it for this unboxing, guys. I hope you liked the video. Please, if you do. If you have any comments or questions or any responses to my posts, and seriously, this was really, really bad. There was no GXs whatsoever. No ultra rares. Anything. Please leave them in the comment section down below, as well as subscribe if you want to see more videos. And I'll check you guys in the next one. Stay crafty, guys.